Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the power of AI for business success. Today we're sharing 10 invaluable tips to leverage AI effectively in your business ventures. Before diving into AI integration, comprehensively understand your business needs and pain points. Identify areas where AI can drive value, whether it's optimizing processes, enhancing customer experiences, or unlocking new revenue streams. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Invest in collecting and curating high-quality data from diverse sources. Ensure your datasets are clean, relevant, and adequately labeled to fuel accurate AI algorithms. Select AI solutions that align with your business objectives and technical requirements. Whether it's machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision, choose tools that can address your specific challenges effectively. Security and privacy should be paramount when implementing AI in your business. Ensure robust measures are in place to protect sensitive data and comply with regulations. Build trust with customers by prioritizing their privacy and security. Encourage a culture of innovation within your organization. Empower employees to experiment with AI technologies and explore new possibilities. Foster a collaborative environment where ideas can flourish and drive transformative change. Embrace AI automation to streamline repetitive tasks and free up human resources for more strategic endeavors. Identify processes that can be automated with AI to increase efficiency, reduce errors, and drive cost savings. Invest in developing AI talent within your organization. Provide training and upskilling opportunities for employees to learn AI-related skills. Building a skilled workforce will enable you to harness the full potential of AI technology. Continuously evaluate the performance of your AI solutions and iterate based on feedback and insights. Monitor key metrics to gauge effectiveness and make adjustments as needed to ensure ongoing improvement and success. Incorporate agility into your AI strategy to adapt to changing market dynamics and emerging technologies. Be prepared to pivot and iterate quickly to seize new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Lastly, measure the return on investment, ROI, and impact of your AI initiatives. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, to quantify the value AI brings to your business, whether it's increased revenue, improved efficiency, or enhanced customer satisfaction.